Hello, and welcome to the Fort Jackson Legal Assistance Office. I am Captain Reyes, and today we are going to address how to appeal your evaluation report. If you have more questions or need help in preparing your appeal, you may request an appointment with a legal assistance attorney. AR 623-3, Chapter 4, Evaluation Redress Program, and DA-PAM 623-3 govern all evaluation reports and outline the procedures for appealing Officer Evaluation Reports, OERs, Non-Commissioned Officer Evaluation Reports, NCOERs, and Academic Evaluation Reports, AERs. The redress program is designed to prevent and/or provide a remedy for alleged injustices or regulatory violations, as well as correct them once they have occurred. There are two options when deciding which type of redress to pursue: the Commander or Commandant's inquiry and the Evaluation Report Appeal. A soldier may seek redress through the Commander's inquiry. However, it is not intended to serve as a prerequisite for the Evaluation Report Appeal. If the rated soldier decides to request a Commander's inquiry, it should be done first. The soldier can then use the findings of the Commander's inquiry in support of the appeal. Commanders or Commandants are required to look into alleged errors, injustices, or illegalities in evaluation reports. A Commander's inquiry is a written request submitted to the Commander one level higher than the soldier's rating chain to investigate the subject evaluation report. The primary purpose of the inquiry is to provide a greater degree of command involvement in preventing injustices to the rated individual and correcting errors before they become a matter of permanent record. A Commander's inquiry will not be used to note differences of opinion among the rating chain. The Commander may determine that the report has serious irregularities or errors. The Commander cannot force or pressure rating officials to change their evaluations, and the Commander cannot evaluate the rated individual either as a substitute for or in addition to the designated raters. Commander's inquiry may be used in support of an appeal. An evaluation report uploaded into a soldier's AMHR is presumed to be administratively correct. However, the soldier can appeal an evaluation report that is believed to be incorrect, inaccurate, or unjust. The appellant has a burden of proof to produce clear and convincing evidence that 1. The presumption of irregularity should not be applied to the report under consideration, and 2. Action is warranted to correct a material error, inaccuracy, or injustice. Examples of this can be bullet comments that are untrue or inaccurate, or even that the entire evaluation is fundamentally flawed. An appeal may be based on either administrative or substantive error, or both. Appeals alleging bias, prejudice, inaccurate or unjust ratings, or any matter other than administrative error are substantive appeals. These appeals should include evidence such as written statements from third parties, rating officials, or other documents from official sources. These statements are given more weight if they come from individuals who have had the opportunity to observe firsthand the appellant's performance as well as interactions with rating officials. Statements should include specific details of events or circumstances leading to the inaccuracies or injustices at the time the report was written. For appeals alleging administrative error, appropriate evidence may include the published rating scheme used during the period of the subject report, assignment, travel, or TDY orders, electronic battalion or brigade S1 or human resources documents, leave records, or statements from military personnel officers or others who know about the situation pertaining to the report in question. The rated individual should clearly state what is being appealed and the basis of the appeal. The appellant should state whether the entire evaluation report is contested or only a specific part or comment, and why they believe that the rating officials were not objective or had an erroneous perception of the rated individual's performance. The rated individual should keep in mind that a mere personality conflict between the appellant and the rating official does not constitute grounds for a favorable appeal. Substantive appeals must be submitted within 3 years of an evaluation report's through date. Administrative appeals will be considered regardless of the time that has elapsed since the period of the evaluation. However, the likelihood of successfully appealing an evaluation report diminishes with the passage of time. Appeals are sent directly to the agency that decides the appeal. The rated soldier must send the original appeal and supporting documentation along with one duplicate copy of the appeal and supporting documentation. Upon receipt of the appeal, the board will contact you and acknowledge receipt. The time required to process an appeal varies greatly depending on the complexity of the issues involved, the priority of the appeal, and by date of the receipt. The board will notify the appellant directly of any decision regarding the appeal. If you have any questions or would like to initiate a commander's inquiry or an appeal, please contact the Fort Jackson Legal Assistance Office at 803-751-4287. Thank you.